Hey friends, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby and today I'm making this bouquet. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned and keep watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us as we continue to build our flower farm. This is going to feature dahlias, roses, delphinium, and eucalyptus. I think that's about it, maybe some stock. Anyways, so let's get to it. First, let's start off by making a little boutonniere for the groom. I'm using a smaller sized dahlia bloom. This variety is called Boom Boom White. Then I'm using some delphinium sprigs, and just as a note, these are poisonous to consume. I'm also using this baby blue eucalyptus sprig, and we snipped this off the larger branches, which will be used in the bouquet. Here's some binding twine that I picked up, and I'm just going to wrap that around the stems. Here it is all put together. I think it looks really cute and will connect the groom to the bridal bouquet in a really special way. I'm going to be storing this boutonniere in a Tupperware container with a damp paper towel. I'll cover the stems with the paper towel and then it'll go in the fridge until delivery. Now onto the bridal bouquet. I'm still pretty new at designing bouquets, so I'm excited to be working with this ingredients today. This delphinium is poisonous, so you just want to make sure that your client knows that, and we'll keep it away from curious children and animals. We also have ivory roses that were grown off the farm, but we are adding that in for the perfect elegant touch to this bouquet. I think it goes really well with the ivory toned dahlias that I grew. So I'm going to be starting off by prepping all the roses and the greenery so I can place everything quickly. And as you can see in the background, the kids are running around, and it's fun to have to kind of design in my kitchen where everyone's around me, but it's all good. I'm going for a garden style bouquet with this flowy and loose texture element, so I'm trying to build using an X structure to give it kind of more of that loose feel to it. If you see me looking at the camera in a really weird way, it's because I'm actually looking at a mirror to see how the bouquet is looking. I'm using some baby blue eucalyptus, silver dollar eucalyptus, and some foraged olive branch tree sprigs. I'm using the ivory roses, different shades of white and ivory dahlias like the Boom Boom White, the White Perfection, and the Cafe au lait. And I'm also going to be adding in a couple of dahlias with this really light pinky shade. I think it just kind of adds this little fun pop of pink. We're also using the delphinium and some white stock. I've put together the first round of the bouquet, and you can see that I'm starting to think that maybe something isn't quite right. So I'm working to move things around and make it what I would like it to be. I've learned that you just have to kind of keep changing things around and to not be afraid of getting rid of a stem that isn't serving you. If it doesn't look right, then just take it out and redesign. I I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I don't have a ton of arrangement experience, but you have to start somewhere, and as a flower farmer, florist, I have to get my hands in there and just start arranging and branching out into a new area for me, which is weddings. So it's a good experience for me. It's a good exercise for me. And my bride is eloping this weekend, so I can't wait to see her wedding day photos. This is what I ended up with, and I'm pretty happy about how it turned out. I also added this sweet light blue ribbon to finish it off, completing this garden style look, and I think she's really going to love it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.